All right, guys, time the last box that we've got of 1956 tops from Hit Parade Baseball. So every box has got 5 original 1956 tops cards. So of course you've got all of the big names in there, from Mickey Mantle to Clemente to Hank Aaron and Stan. I think Stan Musial's in this. Sandy Koufax. All those guys are in this one. So let's see if we can pull one of those big names here to finish out this case. So here is the rundown. Brian M's got the Reds, the Indians, the Tigers, the Dodgers, the A's, the Phillies, Pirates, and Cardinals. JJ's got the Twins/Senators. John S. with the Braves and Yankees. Ryan N. with the Red Sox. And then Scott, you've got the Orioles, the Cubs, the White Sox, and the Giants. All right, here we go. Good luck. 74 out of 142 on this one. All right, got more cases. Let's see if we can pull something. Trying to think what this last box that we did, we pulled a pretty nice one. I can't remember who it was, but it was like $120. It was a Jim Gilliam or something. Pretty nice one. All right, first up we got a Sandy Amoros for the Dodgers. Got a St. Louis Cardinals team card. We got Johnny Schmitz for the Red Sox. We've got Jim Constanti for the Yankees. And then the last one, we've got Hank Thompson for the Giants, which will be San Francisco. So maybe somebody you've heard of. So we'll get those cards in the mail to you guys tomorrow. And that'll do it for 56 tops. So we'll be on the lookout for more products just like this that they're going to release. And hopefully we'll be able to do more of these in the future.